What's up guys, it's TheGearChange here back with another video, and today I've got something pretty exciting for the XR5 behind me. I've got some brand new floor mats and a boot mat. I got them from MatCraft Australia, who are based in Perth. My current ones are a little bit sort of ratty. I believe the previous owner had them from new, so that would be from 2010, so they're 14-year-old carpets. Yeah, the driver and passenger side ones are pretty much rooted, and the rear ones aren't too flash either. And my current boot mat, the previous owner had a dog, so it's been ripped, torn, stuff like that, so I got some brand new ones. They are just in the boot, so got them in the mail today and just thought it'd be cool to kind of show you guys what they look like, compare them to the old ones and show you guys how I've, I guess, matched it with the color of the car. So yeah, I'll get them out the boot and show you guys what they look like. Alright, so here they are from MatCraft Australia. It's a pretty heavy bag. Oh. Yeah, so it's all wrapped up in here. As you guys can see, there's the XR5 turbo logo, and they've got all the little, I guess, imprints or sockets to slide into place for driver side, passenger side, and things like that. So yeah, I'll just, I guess, take the old ones out and show you guys what these look like as a comparison next to one another. But they're really plush, really soft. I'll probably have to be careful if I go to and from the beach. Obviously you don't want to like flood them with sand or whatnot, but yeah, they're really good quality, so definitely check them out. I'll have a link below to their Instagram and who you can contact if you want to get some carpet mats. I believe they do them for all sorts of cars, so not even just XR5 turbos, like STs, Holden Commodores and things like that, so pretty much all makes and models of cars. So yeah, I'll get the old ones out and we'll see what they look like side by side. So I know it's probably a bit silly to do a comparison, but I thought why not. So here is the current mat. Yes, I know it's very dirty, and obviously you've got the sockets. So I think these, yeah, genuine Ford carpet mats, this is how they are. They're pretty good, but there's some rough spots on them, you know. They're pretty old. And then you've obviously got the new ones from MatCraft, and yeah, they're just cut out way nicer, and they go all the way to the top, unlike these that sort of, I guess, cut a bit short. So yeah, even just the color looks awesome. So I was like, yeah, I'll have to get blue to match the color of the car. So managed to get these as a late 21st birthday present. So yeah, pretty cool. I'm loving the fact that I've actually got the logo there too, so it'll be dope. But yeah, that's a comparison, I guess, just to show you guys what they look compared to the old ones, and then obviously the new ones. So I'll show a before and after of inside the car, what the old ones look like, and the new ones as well, to give you guys a comparison. Alright, so here's the interior of the car currently with the current floor mats. So you just sort of tuck them in with these little sort of twisty tabs there. So that's the front. The rears honestly aren't too bad. I don't know how big the MatCraft ones are, but these ones just sort of sit there. I think they're the same Ford ones as what I've got in the front. Yeah, my boot one's not too flashy, as you guys can see, so I'll obviously have to, yeah, it's not too good, so that's why I got a boot one. So I'll have to take the spare wheel out and everything else just to put that in there. That's the same on the other side pretty much. I'll move that out the way. It's pretty clean though. The rear ones don't get used a whole lot because it's usually just me and a mate, or me and friends or whatever, or whatnot driving. And then obviously got the passenger side, so this just sort of tucks underneath the fire extinguisher. But this one's not too bad, but it's got a few rough spots, a bit like the front, probably just from where people's feet sit all day or things like that. So yeah, I'll go get the new ones and chuck them in the car and we'll see how they look. So all the floor mats are now in the car. I've got the rear one I just chucked in then. Got the really dope XR5 turbo logo there, and it tucks around to that side there. So it's one whole mat, which is really nice, unlike the other one, which was two singles and nothing covered the sort of middle hump area. So that's really nice. Come around to the passenger side and show you guys where it tucks underneath the fire extinguisher. So there you go. That's in there. You got the little blue LED light. I didn't put that in, the original guy did, but yeah, so fire extinguisher is still there, and the mat tucks right underneath. Really plush and soft, so that's all done. And then I'll show you guys the boot mat. So I've got the wheel in here. I will carefully pull that out for you guys. There we go. See a bit of a ring mark already. But yeah, that's the boot mat, which looks quite snazzy. Really happy with that. It's huge for the size. It covers everything, which is quite nice. As you guys saw, the other one wasn't too flash, so this is a lot better. Shut the boot. And then finally, the very front driver's seat one, which will probably get the most use out of any of the floor mats in the car. But yeah, so I've clipped that in there with the factory clips. They clip in quite nicely and they sit right there, so it's not going anywhere. But yeah, really happy with them. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't anything too crazy on the car, but, you know, I thought, why not? They arrived, they look pretty cool, and if anyone who's got an XR5 or a similar car wants floor mats, they're obviously the people to go to. You can fully customize them. You can even put your license plate, I'm trying to point to it there, on it if you want. So if you've got custom plates, you can have them engrave that underneath or above or wherever you want. You just let them know via email. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.